Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install WordPress on Windows 11's step-by-step guide with localhost Xampp. So let's get started. First of all, you can see on the screen, we are looking at Google search and I just searched that Xampp. And the first link you would see this one, just click on that and you need to click on this one, Xampp for Windows. Once you click on this, you would end up over here and you can see that your download will start automatically. And if not, just click on click here, and obviously I have already downloaded, so that's why I'm not going to click on this, but it would be only 150 MB size for this file. So as you can see on the top right corner, I just downloaded. And the next thing is to download WordPress. Obviously just click on Google search for download WordPress, and the first link you will see this one, just click on this, you will end up over here. Click on download WordPress, and I obviously downloaded WordPress also. Now we are going to install both of them. First of all, this one, Xampp, just click on this option, click on yes. You will see something like this. You will see something for warning, but no problem. Just click on OK, click on next, and wait for it to install. After it's installed, you will see something like this. Just click on finish and it will open up a control panel for Xampp, as you can see over here. So what we are going to do right now, after opening control panel, as you can see, just click on start on these two above, as you can see. After that, open your C drive where you just downloaded Xampp. Obviously open that up, click on HD docs, and here you are going to paste your WordPress file. So I'm going to do that real quick, and as you can see, it's here over. I'm going to unzip it. After that, click on that folder, copy this or cut this, actually go back and paste that over here. After that, what you need to do, you are going to write in URL localhost/WordPress. So this is what I'm going to do. You will end up over here. Select your language, click on continue, click on let's go, and here we are going to name our database. So how you can do that, open your Xampp. In MySQL, click on admin. You will end up over here. Click on databases on the top left corner. Here you are going to name your database. So I'm going to write obviously WordPress. Click on create. So this is my name for database, WordPress 2.0. And this is what I pasted over here, as you can see. And after that, copy all of this and just click on submit. Click on run the installation, and here you are going to name your site title, your username, and your email. So this is what I'm going to do over here. After you enter all the detail and click on install, you will end up over here, and you can see it's a success. Just click on login, and you are going to enter all of those information which you have already given. Just click on remember me and click on login. And as you can see, we are at WordPress installation right now, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to install WordPress on Windows 11, and it's the same process for Windows 10 also. So that's it. This is all you need to know. Bye bye and take care.